Hi friends, welcome to another Tasty Tuesday video. In this month's Tasty Tuesday video, we're going to be cooking with our crock pots again because it is still winter. It is actually snowing right now as we speak. So yeah, it is still winter. I'm making some chicken and veggie, creamy chicken and veggie stew, and you'll have to see what Rachel's making if you head over to her channel if you haven't yet and watched her Tasty Tuesday video. All right, you guys, so let's get right to cooking, and I hope you enjoyed this video.
So set your crock pot to high if you want to cook it within 4.5 hours. What we're going to be using is 2 to 3 cans, depends on however much you want to use, of canned chicken breast, or you can do cooked chicken breast, whatever you'd like for a healthier option. And then you can do 2 cans of cream of chicken, and then you're going to do 2 cans of water or milk, depending on if you want it to be extra creamy, you can do it with milk. Then we're going to be using 2 stalks of celery and 2 long carrots. And then we're going to be using about 5 to 6 yellow potatoes. We're going to chop them up. And also what is not shown here is half of a can of drained corn. After properly cleaning your vegetables, we're going to chop up the celery into little pieces. And after cleaning the carrots, we're just going to chop those up too. And now we're going to cut up the yellow potatoes. I should have cleaned them before I cut them up, but I will clean them after I cut them up. And now we're going to put the cut up celery and carrots into the crock pot. I already put in one of the cream of chickens. I just didn't show that. That's why there's only 1 can right there. But you will see that I will be putting in 2 cans of water into the crock pot. And now to clean up the potatoes. And now after adding in the potatoes, let's add in the other can of cream of chicken and then the 2 cans of water or milk, whatever you'd like to do. And now let's add in the drained cans of chicken or your chicken breast that you already cooked, whatever you'd like to use. And then now to add the drained half of a can of corn. All right, now let's mix it up before we add in the seasoning. All right, now to add in whatever seasoning you'd like to use. I'm using this seasoning that I get from Costco. It is my absolute favorite. I talk about it all the time in a lot of my cooking videos. It's gonna look like I'm putting in a lot, but trust me, it's worth it. I'm going to mix this all up and then I'm going to add some more seasoning. All right, now it's ready for me to put the cap on it and cook it for about 4.5 hours. All right, and this is what it should look like after it is done being cooked. Oh my gosh, you guys, I cannot rave about this enough. This tastes so good. I actually had to make it the next day as well because it was so delicious and my family absolutely loved it. Just look at this. I should have added maybe another can of chicken or more chicken breast that was cooked. There's other healthier options, of course, to make this, but I just wanted to make it the most simple way I could to make it easy for you guys too. But this, you guys, is so delicious. You have got to try this.
Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this recipe a try if you'd like. Like I said earlier, you can definitely do healthier alternatives. You do other alternatives, use regular, like actual cooked chicken breast instead of canned chicken. You can use frozen corn or fresh corn instead of canned corn. You can do whatever you really want. But I'm just showing you guys my recipe, my version of this chicken and veggie stew, and I really hope you enjoyed it. And if you are up to it, give it a try. You might really like it too. Alright, you guys, I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe. I need more friends, and we'll see you guys again in my next video. And don't forget to head over to Rachel's channel, Live, Laugh, Love Mommy, after this, and watch what she has cooked as well, and subscribe to her because we love our subscribers. Alright, you guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys again next time. Bye now.